Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we got the Christmas special for you all. So we got not one, but 5 of these light sets. They are 45 feet long. Somebody just stole my my Christmas hat, and my 2 lovely helpers here today are going to be helping us install the lights. Well, we've actually already installed some of them, so we needed 1 more, and here is the car. This is what we've done so far. It looks absolutely ridiculous. And this is the last one that we need right over here on this side to finish up this part of the car. Come on, focus, focus. Let's go. Yes, there we go. So let's finish up the car. Then we're gonna go have some fun downtown. Let's just say that. Let's go. Alrighty then, ladies and gentlemen, we are pretty much done. So you get the front. Has a nice little line right across the bumper. You don't really need to put a lot there. The hood is gonna get a lot, obviously, because it's the hood. Fender gets 1 because it's nice and thin. Then you get a little bit over there. The door gets plenty. This door gets plenty. The quarter panel gets, you know, a decent amount. We don't want too much because there's gonna be a lot of spray from the back. And then the back over here, we're gonna leave it because we want the license plate to be visible and not too much glare. And up here, we're not gonna put anything because you don't want to interfere over here because there's lights and this and that, and there's a brake light up there. So we got lights up here. We got lights. We'll turn it on. We'll turn it on. Yes. So then we got the quarter panel over here. Got this door. Got that door, and then obviously we got the roof. The roof is very crazy. And then we got our little bit of slack over here so that the doors can open. So we're still gonna be able to open all the doors except the trunk. The trunk is sealed over here. No trunk access, but all the doors will definitely be able to open. And obviously the hood won't open because we don't really need the hood. Who cares? All right, let's turn on the lights. All right, guys, that's what we got. Looks really cool. Can't wait to see this on the road. This is pretty cool. Okay, let's finish it up. Let's secure everything, and let's go for a drive. Alrighty then, ladies and gentlemen, we are finally just gonna use up all the last little bits of tape, and we are gonna secure all the lights, make sure that everything is absolutely nice and snug. We don't want any of the lights shifting or moving around or, God forbid, flying off. So we are just testing everything, making sure that it's all nice and secure, and that all of the actual connections are waterproof just in case. But yeah, it's looking good. We are gonna get all of that done. You can pretty much barely see the tape right now, and then in the dark you won't be able to see it at all. We got all the doors that are able to open, so Mr. Slava is finishing up little sections on the hood and securing them. I'm gonna just make sure that all the wires have pretty much no slack. Like, I'm not pretty sure that's not gonna go anywhere. And then we have our amazing professional photographer Christina preparing the camera. We are gonna film some absolutely amazing shots. This is gonna be so cool. This is the Christmas special of the C63 AMG, and let's get to it. Let's go. Alrighty then, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to roll. Let's get going. Our photographer and videographer are in the Kia, and we got our C63 all lighted up. We're gonna turn on the lights a little bit later. They are right down here where the connector is. Boom, just ready for installation, but we're not gonna put it on yet. So by the way, we used 5 rolls. They were about 40 feet each, and the wattage was 9.8 watts, and the power in the back, it can take 150 watts. I will show you guys right now if you can see it. Where is it? Where is it? Boom, right there. You guys can see it. So this whole system is good. We won't have any issues with power. So let's get going. Alrighty then, you guys, we got the lights on. It looks pretty fantastic. Looks nice. We got our photographer Christina and videographer doing the crazy effects. So we got all the lights on. I know the reds kind of look like they're turning off, but we are, whoa, look at this. Even up here we got some, and outside, oh, that looks sick. That looks cool too. I know the camera is picking it up at 60 frames per second, so when you kind of move out, it's turning off and on because of the frame rate, but that's still pretty cool. Let's go. because of the shadows. cast on the car. You can't see all the lights, but oh yeah, right there, see? Because of the shadows. Still, that looks cool. Kind of, well, because it's so foggy, you can't really see the car. You can't really see the car in the background of the city, because it's so foggy outside, like you can barely see anything. But still, this looks pretty sick. Nice. Alrighty then, ladies and gentlemen, so the C63 has survived the wonderful drive downtown. That's most important, but not all the lights survived. We do actually have a dead part of the lights right over here. They are completely dead. So something either over here, right over here, or somewhere down here, probably because there's a lot of water being splashed up from the tire, because you can see all the water right there. It's coming right over here, and looks like we have a little bit of a short with the water. So yeah, that's always fun. So let's see if this can just hopefully dry out, and tomorrow it'll function again. But yeah, that was a lot of fun. I know it was kind of looked a little bit stupid, but hey, it is what it is, because it's very hard to drive and do it at the same time. Well, drive, narrate, do everything. Wow, this camera does this really weird effect where you see that black line kind of going down right there. That's weird. I don't know if you see that. It's probably because of the effects on the lights. Probably because of the frame rate or something. But yeah, anyways, that's pretty cool. It looks sick. Very, very nice. We had a lot of fun today. Anyways, let's go have some more fun with this tomorrow. Let's go. Alrighty then, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to Yorkdale or Yorkville. We got the C63 on with all the lights. We're just enjoying beautiful, beautiful Christmas here. Well, not really beautiful. The sky is all cloudy as always. But we got the car on with all the lights. You can't really see it because it's daytime. But everybody's loving it. All right, let's wait until it gets a little bit darker, and then we will enjoy the car a little bit more. Alrighty then, what's up y'all? So we're leaving Yorkdale right now. We're gonna follow Mr. Fatih, and we got the beautiful C63 with all the lights on. You will be able to see it probably in some of the reflections. It's gonna look sick. Alrighty then, ladies and gentlemen, so while driving downtown, going to Christmas, we found another C63 AMG, a 507 edition, absolutely beautiful car. Would have been nice to have a 507, but our C63 is perfectly fine. We love this car just as much as we would a 507 edition. So let's enjoy the lights. Hopefully it'll get a little bit darker soon, and then we'll get to enjoy them fully. Alrighty then, you guys, we are crossing the beautiful Humber River Bridge. And as a side note, something really, really funny that I forgot to mention is, well, we pretty much had these lights on the whole entire time that we were driving, yesterday and today. And the funny thing is that I think we've passed about 45 to 47 different police officers, ranging from York Regional Police to Toronto Police to Ontario Provincial Police, and nobody, not a single officer, batted an eye. So yeah, the police, they don't mind beautiful lights on the car, so they're definitely not Grinches of Christmas. They don't mind it. But then again, we read the Highway Traffic Act, and it basically says that no lights can be strobing, and the lights cannot be greater than 300 candel. If you convert that into lumens, it's like just a few lumens pretty much. So, well, actually no, it's quite a bit of lumens. I think it's like 90 or something, whatever, you guys do the math. But basically each one of these lights is obviously a lot less than 300 candles, so it's it doesn't hey, grandma loves it. That's kind of funny. So yeah, lots of great reactions. We should have filmed all of them, but it's really hard to drive and film at the same time. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed this. Alrighty then, you guys, and also just to show you that everything is functional, boom, there you go. We can still fill up the car with gas, and just like that. Some beautiful, sweet 91 octane. Boom, there you go. See? All functional. You can still get gas. Crazy. It's a little bit wet outside because fantastic Toronto Christmases. We don't get any snow. We just get rain. Lots and lots of rain. But yeah, a little stress test for the for the lights and the tape, it's been surviving, especially the front. None of it is coming off. Over here maybe a little bit, but that's fine. But I'm very shocked that the stuff on the bottom is the one that survived pretty much all of the water kicking up from the tire. That's really interesting. But yeah, it held up pretty well. Let's leave the lights on for a little longer, and yeah, then we'll see. All right, guys, functional Christmas lights with functional doors. All the doors open and the gas cap opens. Well, this doesn't open and the hood doesn't open, but we don't need that. Excellent. Alrighty then, you guys, and just like that, we will conclude this video. The car looks absolutely fantastic. See this black light that kind of runs across the thing because of the frame rate. There it is right there. You can kind of see it. It's a little weird, so we couldn't film too much because of this. This is so weird. These lights create this effect on the camera where you can not see all the lights at the same time. But yeah, that's it. We had a fun time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel, follow on Instagram, and we are gonna go unpack some Christmas gifts. And yeah, we had a lot of fun. This was a great little Christmas project. Didn't really add any crazy value to the rebuild of the C63, but it was definitely a nice spirit for the car. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. I hope you all subscribe. Peace.